Hello friends, today we are going to start our new topic which is called labeling scales. So in this topic we have to label the scales. Okay, so you can see in the first example, this is the key signature, this is your clef, and they have identified which scale is it, and then they've written it here. So same thing we have to do for all of the questions. Okay, so what you can do, you can try on your own first and then come back to my video and check if your answers are correct or not. Okay, so let's start. We're gonna start with the first example. So you can see uh, this one is our tenor clef, and the key signature is B flat. Okay, B flat. So we know that B flat is a key signature for either it is F major or it is D minor. Okay, so we got that either it one of this. Now second thing, we can check that where the tune is starting or your melody is starting on the tonic note or not. So you can see this is your C, D, E, F. So this note is your F note, and the last note, if you check, this is also your F note. Okay, so that means definitely this is our F major scale. Now second thing you have to see, is it going down or is it going up? So you can see this is going down. So simply the question would be, answer would be F major going down, or you can write descending. Okay, next question, you see it has alto clef, right? And it has four flats. So four flats, we know either it's A flat major scale, okay, or it is F minor scale. Okay, now let's check the first note. Okay, on both the sides. So you see this is our middle C. From the middle line is the middle C. Let's do it. If we don't know, this is how you check. So come down from C, you go B, A, G, and then F. So this is the first note is F note. And let's go, if we go from F, this is G, this is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So last note is also F. So 1 point we are almost sure that this is F minor scale. Okay, not A flat major. Now, if it is a minor scale, is it a natural minor, harmonic minor, or melodic minor? Then we'll check the accidentals. Now we can see here this E note has been put it in with an accidental, which is natural. That means this was supposed to be flat, but we have raised it by a semitone and it became natural note. That means this is 7th degree has been raised. So in which scale we raise the 7th degree? That is our harmonic minor scale, where we raise the 7th degree, because in melodic we raise the 6th and 7th. Okay, so now simple here, we got it F harmonic minor going up. Okay, or ascending order, you can write that one. Okay, so I hope you understood this. Now let's move to the next one. Now next one is a treble clef, and there is no key signature. So when there is no key signature, that means either it is a C major or A minor. Okay, now let's check if this is starting on C or A. So this is our G note. So this is G, and this is the second line treble clef. This is also G. That means this is not either C major or A minor, because it is not starting or ending on that. Okay, now if there is any accidental, there is no accidental as well. So that means this is not minor as well. So let's cross both of them. So now if it is starting on G, is it a G major scale? So let's check the notes, what notes we are playing here. So this is G, then this is E, this is D, this is B, and this is A. Now, if we check in G major scale, what do we need in G major scale? The notes over there we need it's G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G. But we have only first three note and these two and the last one. That means we don't have the fourth degree and the seventh degree. That means this is a pentatonic major scale. Okay, and why we don't have a key signature here? Because in G major pentatonic, F note is does not exist. So that is why it is okay if we don't put a sharp here as a key signature. Because we don't have to play F sharp in the G major pentatonic scale. So that means this is our G pentatonic major going down. Okay, let's find out the next one. So next one is a bass clef. Okay, and again there is no key signature. That means again we have to check either it's C major or A minor. So now if we check the first note is A as it is a bass clef and last note is also A. Now that means this is A minor scale, but let's check the accidentals. So this note is G sharp, this is G natural, then this is F sharp, then F natural, then this is E, this is D sharp, then D natural, C sharp, C natural, then this is B, then B flat, and A. But if this would have been an A minor, then again there should have been any accidentals of sharps and flats. That means this is something else. So what it is a, if you see the whole process, and if I make a keyboard here, let's say start from A, so let me use another pencil to make you understand. Okay, so we start from, because this is going down as descending order, so we start from this A. Now from this A we go to, this is G sharp. Okay, because we cannot call it A flat, so we'll go this G sharp, and then we go to G natural, then we go to F sharp, F natural, E natural, D sharp, D natural, C sharp, C natural, B, and then B flat. It is a chromatic scale. Okay, even if it's G is coming two times, one is sharp and one is natural, or either it could be a flat or natural. Okay, so that's why this is our, let me just change the pen again. So this is our A chromatic going down. Okay, now next what we're doing is label these scales. Here there are no key signatures, so check the accidentals. So now we have to recognize the key scale but without the key signature. So let's find out that how to do that. So we see this is our treble clef. Let's check out the notes first. So this is E, you're starting on E, then you're going to D, C, B, A, G, F, and E. Now that means this is either it's E major or E minor, okay, because this is E, something E, because starting and ending on E. Now let's check, there is an accidental in between, that is the F note. Okay. So we know that in E minor, key signature is F sharp, which is a derivative of G major. And E major, we know, has four sharps. So that means we have only one sharp here that is related to E minor scale. Now, this is going downwards. So this could be E natural minor going down, or this could be E melodic minor going down. Why it could be melodic minor? Because we know when we're doing ascending order, we raise the 7th, 6th and 7th degree of melodic scale, and while descending they go back to their natural position. So imagine if over here the G and F are raised by a semitone, so it will become G sharp and F double sharp, and while descending order they have gone back to G natural and F sharp position. So that's why this could be a melodic scale as well. This, when we write here, this could be E natural or melodic minor going down. Okay. Now, if you understood this is good. If you did not understand, just let me know in the comment section. I will explain this to you again. Okay. Now next one is a bass clef. Okay, and is bass clef. Let's find out which is the first note. So this is our E. B, C, D, and E. So D sharp, then C sharp is there, and G sharp is there, and F sharp. So now we can see easily there are four sharps. That is fat, cat goes down. And that is a key signature for our E major scale. Okay. So this is simple. This is our E major scale. Going up. Okay. Now the last one. Let's find out this one. So this is our alto clef. And let's find the first note. That is our D note. D, E, F, G, A, B, and C, and D again. Okay. Now let's check the accidentals. So we have D flat, we have E flat, we have G flat, we have A flat, and we have B flat, and D is again flat. So that means all the flat notes we have here is the. Let's find out what is the formula to find the key signature was beat goes. So till grade 5 we have learned 5 flats, and for 5 flats we know is formula is for D flat major or B flat minor. Okay, either it's D flat major or it could be B flat minor. B flat minor. But we know that the tune is starting on E, D, starting on D and finishing on D flat. So that means this is D flat major, not B minor, to confirm. So this is simply we found the keys through accidentals. We found we have 5 flats which is apply as a key signature to D flat major scale. So we write here D flat major going up. Okay. So I hope you understood this topic, and if there is any question, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Please like, share, and subscribe, and share it as much as you can with your friends and whoever needs to learn these exams. So see you in the next video. Till then, thank you.